Hello guys, join me as I walk you through how I achieved this beautiful installation hairstyle. So before that, this hairstyle is for a wedding party and she requested for something cute, unique and beautiful. So my job is to give her exactly what she wanted, and I love as she trusted the process when we are doing it. So to achieve this hairstyle, I put my mind and my soul into it while doing it, focused, making sure that everything was coming out exactly how she wanted it. She kept on checking the style while we are doing it, and as God might have it, she loved as the process is going. Putting more effort in what you do to improve in your skills and your craft always pays. When it comes to edges, I always make sure that I give the best, because these edges of a thing, a lot of people loved it while some didn't. But when it comes to edges, I put my mind, my soul, and my spirit to make sure that I achieve very neat edges. So guys, see how the edges was sitting pretty on her face, and this is the final look. See how beautiful the installation was on her. So if you know that you love this video and have watched to this extent, don't forget to like, share, subscribe on this channel for more engagement. Thank you for watching. Bye.